Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you drop off a tax return at the IRS office? This is a question a lot of people ask, especially as the tax deadline gets closer. The short answer is generally no. You can no longer just walk into a local IRS office and hand them your paper tax return. Years ago, this was a common practice, but the IRS has significantly changed how its local offices operate. These locations are now called Taxpayer Assistance Centers, or TACs, and their main purpose has shifted from being simple drop-off points to providing in-person help for specific tax issues that can't be resolved online or over the phone. You almost always need to call ahead and schedule an appointment to even get into one of these centers. They are set up to help with things like identity verification, setting up a payment plan, or answering a complex question about a tax notice you received. They simply aren't staffed or equipped to be a mail processing facility. However, there are a few very specific exceptions where they might accept your return. The most reliable exception is if you are making a tax payment in person. If you go to a TAC to pay your tax bill, you can typically submit your completed paper tax return along with your payment. Another possibility, though not guaranteed, is if you have an appointment for another reason. The IRS employee helping you might accept your return as a courtesy, but you should not count on this. Some high-traffic TACs may have a drop box during the final days of tax season, but this is very rare and location-dependent, so you must check your local office's services on the IRS website before you go. So, what are your best options? The number one method recommended by the IRS is to file electronically. E-filing is faster, more secure, and you get a confirmation within minutes that your return has been accepted. If you must file a paper return, the correct and safest way is to mail it. Don't just use a regular stamp. You should always use a service like USPS certified mail with a return receipt. This gives you a legal postmark date and proof that the IRS received your tax return, which can protect you from any late filing penalties if your mail is delayed. In summary, don't plan your tax filing strategy around dropping it off at an IRS office. It's an outdated method that is no longer supported. Stick with e-filing for speed and security, or use certified mail for a reliable paper trail. We hope this clears up the confusion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button.